Hey, how you doing? It's me, Marcellus Elder here. You can call me for short because, well, those are my initials, M-E, Marcellus Elder. But we finna get down to business, you know what I'm saying? I don't have my iPad with me, so we just finna go to where I normally play the keyboard and do them tutorials right quick. And I'm gonna go from there and let you know what we're gonna be doing, you know what I'm saying? Alright, today's question comes from Mr. Brandon Amador. He asks, how do you transpose on that board? And the board in which you're talking about, Mr. Brandon, is the Kurzweil SP88x. And yes, sir, I do know how to transpose that. And if there's anyone that's watching right now that has a question for me, make sure first that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, and after that, all you gotta do is comment, and then do this right here. Yeah, tell me what you wanna know. That's right. Tell me what you wanna know. Alright, we want to make sure the Kurzweil is turned on, okay? Now what you want to do is you want to hit edit. You see that button right there? You want to make sure you hit that button. Alright, you're going to see that lighten up. But what if you're in the wrong column? Because you have to be in this column for the next step. Let's say, see, this is how you change the columns right there where it say column select. That's how you change the columns. Alright. And so you want to make sure you're on the left column where it says it's right up on the parameters. Then what you want to do is you want to go to row select. Alright. And you want to make sure that you keep hitting that button until this is highlighted. You don't want it flashing. You want it to just stay lit like this. Alright. And so now you're ready to transpose. You see right here, this is C sharp, also known as D flat. We're finna transpose it. So now that that's out the way, all you have to do is just hit no or yes. No to go down, yes to go up a key. Alright, so this is C sharp. We click yes. Alright. Yep, so if we want to go down, let's go down about 4. Yep, so that's it. That's how you transpose. That's how you do that.